Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. If you are looking for the most fun summer activity, paddleboarding is it. I love that everywhere I go, I can carry my paddleboard by BODIOO. I felt that this was the perfect size for me to kneel and paddle, or when I was brave, to stand up for a few seconds. BODIOO has given you everything you need to get started. I found out that reaching 13 psi was the perfect amount of air to have a firm board. I just love this beautiful green color in contrast with the white. It is absolutely stunning looking on the water. I appreciate that it has good gripping in the center for my feet, and I am so happy it has a place to set my drinks and snacks while I paddle. This gorgeous paddleboard is very lightweight and easy to carry, and it fits all the accessories so perfect in the case. You are definitely going to love this paddleboard like I do. It has brought me so much joy during this summer. And that is just my point of view.